Hi, my question is, my daughter was in a car wreck last month. A guy swerved over her lane and ran off the road, and she hit a tree and totaled her car. Okay, we went and got a police report, but there's none of his information on it except for his name and his address. It's not saying if he has any insurance or anything. We went and got a lawyer to try to get in contact with him. We hadn't heard anything back from him. They say if he doesn't contact the lawyer's office within the next week or so, there's nothing else they can do. Is there any other option that we can pursue?
Okay, good question. Thank you, Letitia. All right, John Michael.
Well, I think that you want to make sure your options are not going to be exhausted so quickly. Certainly if you can't find someone in such a short period of time, don't give up. There are other ways, or there are many ways that you can go about finding someone, whether it's in the context of serving them with a lawsuit or just finding them through an investigator or a process server. So you want to make sure that you protect your rights by thinking about statutes of limitation, and if you're not happy with your lawyer, then make sure again that you think about all that the time-sensitive nature of what you're talking about. So don't give up.
Yeah, and for something like that, just to follow up, John Michael, someone would have 2 years from the date of that accident to file a claim. And I'll say this about relationships with lawyers. What I always suggest is, and it does take lawyers time to do things. They've got other cases. Their investigator may be backed up, may be trying to find it. What I suggest is call your lawyer and say, I'd like to sit down with you. I'd like to have a conversation with you, and schedule an appointment to go to their office and talk through those issues. I usually find that if people will just contact their lawyer and understand what the issue is, and there be some communication, that usually the issues are worked out. Now, if you continue to have problems, then you may want to seek other counsel, but I would give your lawyer a chance to kind of explain what he's been doing.
Okay, fair enough.